Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to simulate a NASCAR experience within Forza Horizon 5. While the game doesn't have official NASCAR content, you can still enjoy thrilling oval races. We'll cover selecting the right cars, tuning them for speed, and finding or creating custom events. Get ready to push your vehicle to its limits on the track. To begin, choose a powerful, rear-wheel drive car, such as an American muscle car or a dedicated track toy. Focus your tuning on achieving maximum top speed and maintaining stability during high-speed turns. Adjust your suspension for stiffness, lower tire pressure slightly for grip, and fine-tune the differential. A race transmission allows precise gear ratio adjustments for optimal acceleration and top end. Next, you'll need an oval track. You can search for existing user-created custom events within the Event Lab, often found under blueprints. Alternatively, unleash your creativity and design your own. Place checkpoints strategically to form a continuous oval circuit. Remember to set the race conditions, including the number of laps and car restrictions, to create an authentic and challenging NASCAR-style competition. Finally, mastering the driving technique is key. Maintain a consistent racing line, typically staying low in the turns to maximize speed. Smooth throttle control is crucial to prevent wheel spin and maintain traction, especially coming out of corners. Utilize drafting by following closely behind other cars on the straights to gain a significant speed advantage. Practice smooth, precise steering inputs to carry momentum through every turn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.